In this video, I'll be showing you how to make and receive calls on MacBook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I have my iPhone here and MacBook here, but let's say I'm working and I want to take my iPhone calls on my MacBook. All I got to do is go to my settings application, scroll all the way down until you're in apps, then just search up phone, then just open up the phone settings. Then from here, all I want to do is scroll all the way down and I'm going to see calls on other devices. And once I'm in the calls on other devices section, I want to go ahead and enable this and then select the MacBook. Then from here on the MacBook, all you want to do is once you're on it, you're going to be on your home page and it can be on iOS 18 or iOS 26. As long as both your MacBook and your iPhone are signed into the same iCloud, all you have to do is go over to the FaceTime application. Then once you're on the FaceTime application, you're going to just press continue, go over to settings, and then from there, you'll be able to just take any calls from your iPhone to your MacBook. It's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.